I'm Savanna with Fancii. I am a professional makeup artist, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on this fall look. We have a simple cat eye with a nice bold cranberry lip. So because today's look focuses mainly on just the eyes and the lips, I went ahead and just did my face makeup beforehand. And because I did my face makeup before my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and place some loose powder under my eyes very lightly, so that any eyeshadow that falls will fall right onto this powder and I can sweep it away. And today I'm going to be using Vera, and Vera comes with 3 different LED light settings. We have soft white, neutral white, and natural daylight, and these different light settings really do help conquer bad beauty lighting, and today I'm going to be using neutral white. So because the lip I'm going to be using today is a nice bold cranberry lip, I don't want my eyeshadow to be too overpowering, so the look I'm going to go for the eyes is just a nice smoked out cat eye like wing. And to help me achieve that, I'm going to be using a little bit of tape. Just about an inch long should be fine. And I'm going to align the tape with my bottom lash line and the end of my brow. Just like that. So first I'm going to go in with an angled brush with a little bit of black, and I'm going to start shaping my wing. The tape is definitely optional, but it does help create a guide for your eyeshadow liner, and once you remove it, you should have a nice clean line. Next I'm going in with a deeper brown, and I'm going to be smudging that black line I just created. Next I'm going to use a light brown tan color to blend into the dark brown that I just put down. I'm also going to be taking this color just a little bit into my crease to create some definition. You may want to go back and forth between the 3 colors we used until you've achieved your desired color intensity, but always remember to blend, blend, blend. And once you're happy with your little wing, you can go ahead and remove the tape, and you should have a nice clean wing all ready for you. So to help give us even more of that cat eye elongated look, as you can tell the difference between my 2 eyes, I went ahead with this one and took my angled brush with a little bit of black on the tip of the angle, and I went ahead and just ever so slightly placed that in the very inner corner. You're going to want to be careful because it is a black shadow, so it is easy to go overboard, but I just made the smallest little triangle in the very inner corner to help with that cat eye effect. So for my bottom lash line, I think I want to throw in a little bit of a cranberry color to help tie in with our lip that we're going to put on in just a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and place these 2 cranberry colors on my lower lash line. And then going back in with my angle brush that I used for the black, I'm going to place that on the very outer third of my bottom lash line. Now that we've finished our eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and just sweep away extra powder we placed to catch any fallout. So I just put on some lashes, and now to complete the eyes, I'm going to take a little bit of a highlighter shade, just some kind of shimmer, and place it right on my brow bone to help give us some definition and lift. And now to complete our fall makeup look, I'm going to go in with a lip liner. This is a dark brown lip liner by Kylie. Actually, one of the reasons why Vera is one of my favorite mirrors to use is because the angle is adjustable. So when I'm aligning my lower lip, I like to look at it kind of at an angle like this. So because Vera can switch angles, it makes it really easy for me. Next, I'm going to go in with this beautiful dark cranberry shade by Runway Rogue. It's in Call My Agent. I actually stepped away from my desk and I forgot to turn off my Vera light, and when I came back it was off. So that's another feature I definitely love, is its 30-minute auto shut-off time, so it saves you tons of power. So here is our fall makeup look all complete. We have a pretty simple eye and a nice bold cranberry lip. I completed today's look using one of my favorite mirrors, the Vera mirror, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and stay tuned for the next one.